Alright, so today we are going to be going over the periodic table, and it's a chemistry overview of the periodic table. How to read the periodic table. Chemistry resonates from the idea of an atom. Each element on the periodic table is its own atom. However, each atom is different in the sense that they each have their own atomic mass, their own abbreviations, and their own atomic number. Now let's look at a periodic table. As you can see, there are different letters, different colors, and many different numbers on the periodic table. With this periodic table, I have circled an element. This element is considered lithium, and the abbreviation is Li. Each element on here, like as stated before, is its own atom. However, each one is a different atom. Now here I have circled the number 3 and the number 4, and as you can see, each one has their own number. This is their atomic number. It's individual to each specific atom and element.